Hi everyone, I'm Sio from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to clear cache of Snapchat. Clearing the cache can free up storage space and help the app run more smoothly by removing temporary files. So, let's get started on how to clear cache of Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Tap on the profile icon from the top left corner of your screen. Now, tap on the settings option at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and find the clear data option. Once you find it, tap on it. In the clear data menu, you will find the clear cache option. Tap on it. A confirmation message will appear asking if you really want to clear the cache of Snapchat app. Simply tap on the clear option and confirm your choice. And this is how you can clear cache of Snapchat.
Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.